What's up guys, Reboot here. Today's a very exciting day because we got our hands on the iPhone 15 Pro Max in blue titanium. I also picked up a few accessories like the new FineWoven Case in blue and then one of the new FineWoven wallets in the Taupe or taupe color. Let me just tell you guys one thing. When I went to the Apple store, it was kind of crazy because I got there and there was these huge lines of people just waiting to pick up their iPhones that they pre-ordered, and then there was a separate line of people that also were hoping that there was inventory left after all the pre-orders have been picked up so that they could also get their hands on the new iPhone 15. But anyways, let's go ahead and put these off to the side and let's grab the main attraction here, which is the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So getting right into it, right here in the front, we do have our image of the iPhone 15, as you guys can see. If we take a look at the sides, we do have the iPhone text, which it might be a little hard to see on camera, but it is color matched to the color of the iPhone that you get. So in this case, it does have a blue titanium finish. And then we also do have the Apple logo, which is also in that blue titanium finish. But yeah, on the back we just have the basic information. Like at the top it does say iPhone 15 Pro Max, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's just go ahead and rip open these pull tabs and take a look at the new iPhone 15 Pro Max. I'm actually really excited because this is my first iPhone upgrade in about 3 years. Alright, so let's put these pull tabs off to the side and then let's go ahead and unveil our 15 Pro Max. And let me just say that this blue color is sick. It is darker than the Pacific Blue on the 12 series, but I think this color looks really nice. I really like how the shade of the color changes depending on the lighting and the angle that you're looking at it from. Damn, I mean, this thing looks beautiful. Alright, so let's go ahead and take our phone out of the box. Turning it over to the sides, you guys can see that titanium finish here. My hands are a little sweaty, so I do apologize. Yeah, even with my sweaty hands, you guys can see that the titanium does a good job with hiding the fingerprints. Taking a look at the camera bumps, I can't tell if they are bigger than the ones on the 14 Pro. Right here, I do have a 14 Pro, but I don't know. I'll let you guys be the judge. Do you guys think that the camera bumps look bigger or the same? I think they might be slightly bigger, but anyways, let's go ahead and peel this off. I think it's always so satisfying peeling this thing off and looking at that crispy new screen. So let's put the phone off to the side and see what else we have in the box. Right here at the top, we do have our paperwork designed by Apple in California. Then inside we have a little bit of information about the phone. I do live in the US, so I no longer have the physical SIM. I have to use the eSIM, which kind of sucks. Then we do have our Apple sticker right here. And then also in the box, we do have that new braided cable that everyone was talking about. It actually feels pretty nice. It does feel good quality. I'm hoping that these new braided cables do last longer than the rubber ones that we've been getting for so long, because I mean, those things break easily, especially if you have them in your car with the heat and everything. But yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at our iPhone right here. I'm gonna go ahead and power it on. I'm gonna keep this video short just because it's gonna be an unboxing and my first impressions. If you guys want to see a review of the iPhone 15, make sure to subscribe. I'll probably put up a review video within a week or a few days after I get some time to mess with the new features. But meanwhile, this thing's booting up. If we look at the bottom, which I still can't believe, we now have that USB Type-C port, which honestly looks kind of weird. If we flip it over to the side, right here on the left side, we do have that new action button, which replaced the mute switch. So if we look at the 14 Pro right here, we had the mute switch that everyone is used to, and over here we now have the action button. So I do refurbish iPhone screens, meaning that I do separate the glass from broken screens and laminate a new layer. So I kind of do pay attention to a lot of the detail on the displays. Yeah, I can notice that right away these bezels do look way thinner than the iPhone 14. Especially if you're coming from like the 12 series and even the 11, these things are just like really thin. The display almost looks edge to edge. It looks really nice. I can't deny it. I actually really like this display. Then up here we do have that dynamic island, which I am excited for. I still have the notch on my 11 Pro Max. Also, another thing that I wanted to mention is that right away I did notice that the iPhone 15 Pro Max is significantly lighter than my 11 Pro Max, and even this 14 Pro Max without the display, I feel like the 15 Pro Max still feels a lot lighter. No, yeah, you could tell right away that that titanium material is way lighter than the stainless steel. I kind of did like the heaviness on the Pro models just because it made the phone feel like it was better quality, but I mean, damn, I can't complain about how light this thing feels. Overall, I'm pretty excited about the new iPhone 15 Pro Max. I'm coming from the iPhone 11 Pro Max, so it's definitely going to be a nice upgrade. For the people that are on the iPhone 14 or 14 Pro, I do want to know if you guys will be upgrading to the iPhone 15 or 15 Pro, or are you guys going to pass this one up? And if you guys are upgrading, are you going with the 15 or the 15 Pro? Also, what color are you guys going to get? Personally, I think that the most popular colors will be the pink on the iPhone 15 and either the blue titanium or the natural titanium on the 15 Pro models. But yeah, that's pretty much going to wrap up this video. Like always, make sure to hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. And I'm also going to be dropping a review video on this iPhone 15 Pro Max after I had some time to check out some of the new features on this puppy. So don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.